welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this what I eat in a day video. So I just decided to film this video because I've absolutely been loving to watch these type of videos. So today's a very random day. It's literally a work day, but I thought that this would be the most realistic time to film this video because I'm not trying to do anything special. I haven't prepped for this video, so we're just gonna get into it. Today is a very gloomy day, which is so strange, but typically I will have a glass of matcha or a cup of matcha in the morning. I don't have it every day because that's not good for you. That's too much caffeine. So I usually have it maybe once or twice a week. And now I'm about to make myself some breakfast. I don't have time on my work days to make like a really nice breakfast, like eggs, bacon, whatever. So I typically will just have like some regular old bread with like a slice of cheese, or I make oats, which is what I'm going to make today. I absolutely love oats. There are so many nutritional benefits for oats, but honestly I just like the way it tastes. I do not calorie count. I'm not on a strict diet. I don't do anything of that. So I want you guys to see exactly what I eat in a day. So yeah, let's make some oats. So let's get into making these oats. I like to make my oats on the stove. It really doesn't take that long. It takes me between like 5 to 10 minutes to be honest. So here I'm just adding some milk. I just use some regular long life full cream milk. And I'm just gonna chop up some fruits for my oats as well. So today I am using strawberries and blueberries. Usually I also add bananas because this is the only time that I can actually stomach bananas, but I was out of bananas on this day, so we're just gonna go for the blueberries and the strawberries. So I also like to add granola and honey to my oats. I just like the granola because it gives it a really nice crunch, and it also has raisins, which I don't really like raisins, but I will have it if it's in my oats. I am going to have my breakfast. I'm gonna go sit at my desk actually and have my breakfast while I work. But yeah, this is what I'm having for breakfast today, and I'll see you guys later. If I decide to eat, who knows, we'll see. I'm also trying to get into having my vitamins, and on this day I decided to have my biotin, which just helps with hair, skin and nails. I don't really know if it's doing anything, but in my head I feel like it is, so I just take it. Guys, I'm having the longest day ever, but anyway, it's a little bit later. I want to make a snack. I do not really eat lunch, to be honest. I don't really get that hungry throughout the day. I usually just have like fruits or Provitas or rice cakes. Very seldom will I make myself lunch. Also, again, just because I'm working, I don't really have the time. So I don't know what I want to have today. I mean, I have these rice cakes. These are the white rice cakes, and these are the salted ones. I get this from Checkers. And then where are my Provitas? Oh, there they are. I also have whole wheat Provitas. These are the ones that I like. I love having these just dry on their own. They really taste good to me. I also have some grapes here, and I think I'm gonna grab a nachi. Got some nachos too. So let me finish chewing. The oats really does fill me up, especially because I add fruits in there, which is perfect for me again because I'm not trying to get up and like make food all day. So yeah, I'm gonna have a few Provitas, some fruits, and that is gonna be my snack for the day. So good. Okay guys, so while there is load shedding, I am quickly thinking about what I want to make for dinner. So I think I just want to make some chicken wings. I think with the chicken wings, I'm just going to make some mashed potatoes, maybe some fried rice, I'm not too sure. But while there is load shedding, I'm just going to marinate the chicken so that it can sit while I can't do anything during load shedding. And when the power's back on around 6:30, then we will make dinner. So I'm just going to show you guys my how I marinate my chicken for my chicken wings. I absolutely love the way I make them, so maybe someone else will love it as well. But yeah, it's nothing special, very easy, very quick. So if you're like me and you don't have time, or you're just trying to make something real fast, then this is for you. So let us marinate the chicken. Wow, the kids are so loud today.
So you can obviously marinate your chicken however you want to, but these are the spices that I use to marinate my chicken. I do like to start off with some lemon. I don't know, I feel like the lemon just does something to the chicken. And then this product right here, the Jimmy sauce, is the game changer. I just put a whole bunch of that in as well, mix it up, and it just tastes so good.
Also, I am done spicing up the chicken. I probably would have showed you guys or done like a voiceover for everything that I did. All the ingredients will probably be on the screen or in the description box down below. But I'm about to put this in the fridge, so I think I'm just gonna go read my book while I wait for the power to come back on. It's a very gloomy, cozy kind of day, so yeah, hopefully I don't fall asleep, but I'll see you guys when it's time to make dinner. Hey everyone, so it's obviously much later in the evening. It is currently 6:33. Focus. I think y'all can see. Yeah, I'm about to make dinner. I think I mentioned it briefly earlier that I'm going to be making some chicken wings with some mashed potato. Oh, am I gonna make mashed potato? Do I have the ingredients for mashed potato? Oh god. Oh, I'm gonna have to make rice. I don't have butter. Am I going to order butter only? No, that's not what we're gonna do. We are going to make some rice. So yeah, let's get to cooking. It's nothing hectic. It's literally just wings and rice. So let's go. Maybe
for the rice, you just want to start off by cutting up some onions and some peppers. So I have red pepper, green pepper, and yellow pepper here. So you're just going to chop it up as finely as you can. Well, this is the way I like it. And then you are going to add the onions, red peppers, and green peppers into a pot of oil. I am using olive oil, but you can use whichever oil of your choice, girl. So before I start frying the rice, I like to add black pepper, salt, and thyme into the vegetable mix. So I just feel like it gives a little bit of flavor. I don't know, it's just, girl, that's just what I do. And then we're just gonna add the rice in, and then you just want to start stirring the rice for a few minutes. This is definitely optional. I am adding chicken stock to the rice. It just adds, again, some more flavor to the rice. You definitely don't have to do this if you have other spices, but I love adding some chicken stock or a beef cube into the rice just to give it a little bit of flavor. And then you just want to add some water to the mix as well. You just need to eyeball it, to be honest. And then I'm adding this spice for rice, some turmeric just for the color, not too much. So after letting the rice boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, you want to go ahead and add some mixed vegetables. So I love vegetables. Girl, I love me some vegetables. Okay, so it is a nice way to add it to your meal by just putting it inside the boiling rice. I had such a long week, so I'm about to pour myself a glass of wine before I go ahead and fry these chicken wings. So you definitely can air fry them if you have an air fryer. Try not to burn yourself, or you can put it in the oven. But on this day, I just decided to fry my chicken wings, which works for me. And again, I am frying it in some olive oil. Did go ahead and add some scrambled eggs to the rice, but yeah, you guys, this is the final look of the plate. Please let me know if you guys try this meal.
I am so hungry. This food is so good. So that brings us to the end of today's video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am about to dive right into this meal. It tastes so good. I think I showed you guys all the ingredients that I used to make this. This is like the perfect lazy day meal. You don't like standing for too long, making anything complicated. This is for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.